Welcome back to Automotive World, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive industry. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the all-new 2025 Ferrari 335S, a car that blends Ferrari's racing heritage with cutting-edge innovation. If you love speed, power, and pure Italian craftsmanship, stay tuned because this machine is an absolute masterpiece. Ferrari has once again redefined the limits of performance engineering, and the 2025 335S is proof of that. Inspired by the legendary 1957 Ferrari 335S race car, this modern interpretation brings a thrilling combination of classic design cues and state-of-the-art technology. Under the hood, Ferrari has equipped this beast with a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid engine, producing a staggering 950 horsepower. This powerplant is paired with Ferrari's latest Formula One-derived hybrid system, delivering instant torque and lightning-fast acceleration. From a standstill, the 2025 Ferrari 335S rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds and achieves a top speed of over 220 miles per hour. Thanks to its advanced aerodynamics, lightweight carbon fiber construction, and cutting-edge suspension system, this Ferrari isn't just about speed, it's about precision, agility, and ultimate driving pleasure. The design of the new 335S is a seamless fusion of past and future. The sleek, aerodynamic body takes inspiration from Ferrari's classic race cars, featuring sculpted curves, aggressive air intakes, and a low-slung profile. The LED headlights are razor-sharp, giving the car an intimidating presence on the road, while the rear is dominated by a massive active wing, ensuring maximum downforce at high speeds. Ferrari has also equipped the car with an advanced active aerodynamics system, adapting in real time to optimize performance and handling. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that exudes luxury and technology. The fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the Formula One-style steering wheel integrates multiple controls, allowing the driver to switch between driving modes effortlessly. The seats are crafted from premium Alcantara and carbon fiber, ensuring maximum comfort while keeping weight to a minimum. Ferrari's infotainment system has also been upgraded, featuring an AI-driven driving assistant, Apple CarPlay, and a high-performance audio system. But let's talk about handling, because this is where the 335S truly shines. Ferrari's latest side-slip control 7.0 system, combined with an adaptive magnetic suspension, ensures razor-sharp cornering and a perfectly balanced ride. Whether you're on a racetrack or a winding mountain road, this car offers unparalleled grip, responsiveness, and driving dynamics. The braking system is equally impressive, with carbon ceramic brakes providing instant stopping power even at extreme speeds. Ferrari has once again proven why it remains at the pinnacle of high-performance automotive engineering. The 2025 335S isn't just a car, it's a statement, a tribute to Ferrari's legacy, and a glimpse into the future of supercars. What do you think about the 2025 Ferrari 335S? Would you take it for a spin? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Automotive World for more incredible car content. See you in the next video.